Welcome to another Java 8 tutorials. Here we will be looking into another examples of Java Stream and Java 8 features. So let's get started. If you see here, the first questions what we are going to look into is the problem statement is find a frequency of each character in a string using Java 8 streams. So here is the input, here is the string. We wanted to identify the character, how many times it has been repeated. We wanted to know the count. So this is one of the favorite questions by the interviewer. They will always look around to get an answer about it. So if you see here, I've written this particular code in order to make this particular video short and to explain you a bit more in details, right? So if you see here, I've written the steps here, like what all things is being performed here to in order to achieve that particular. First, we'll check that we have an input which is in string. Now we have got, and as I said, there are a lot of utility methods which has been provided. So here, if you see, there is a method called chars, which will convert this string to characters. So integer string, int string. Okay. So based on that particular stream, now we'll be performing an intermediate operation, which is mapped to an object. What this particular function will do is that it will return an object-based string. So we are dealing with characters, so we will be, we have to get an object-based string, right? So this will help us to do that. Once we get this particular string, we will be performing a group by function. Now here you will see there is a function that identity, and then there is a counting. So if you see here, this is nothing but this will be same as like we will be making use of any t forwards. This will be similar to this t then, right? So whatever you normally write in this particular lambda expressions, right? You will be able to perform the same set of function which it is similar to that, right? But it has got some another usage as well. We will discuss sometime later on that part. But yeah, this does nothing but just return the same as an input which will be written the same output, right? And then it will be collecting it to the will be counting that how many times the occurrences have occurred. So it will collate, and then it will with this we have written a map over here. If you see, so this is a character, and then how many times it has been written. So it will return the map, okay? As we are performing this group by function based on the count number of count it has been occurred. So let's run and see what output it comes. So if you see, this returns all the occurrences, how many times it has been occurred, how many times W has been written in that particular string, how many times this T has been written in this. Hope this example is clear, and then you are able to understand why this we have used as methods. Let's go to the second problem statement. Let me comment this out so that it will be easy for you all to look at the output. Yeah. Now, if you look at this, there are inputs which are missing. I'm trying to import it. Okay. Yeah. The second question is, they will give me an list of an array, and all will be in a small character. They wanted to convert only the first character of that particular string. So they will be giving you an input as a string, and they want each value, each word should be having a case where the first letter should be a uppercase. Now, if you see, I've taken the list of brands like the laptops or computers, like the brand Lenovo, HP, Asus, Apple. So these are some of the brands, what I did is that first I converted that particular array list to a string. So as you already know, in order to perform such thing, we have to first convert that into a string. So if you see, I've written this particular steps as well, like to make you all understand that first step is like we need to make it as a string. Then comes like we'll be performing that we'll use this particular string methods. We'll be using this particular map function as well. So where we'll be converting each character to the uppercase. So whatever it is, like everything will be converted to the lowercase. Anyhow, with the current scenario, it is everything is in lowercase. The next thing what we'll do is that we will take the substring of the first character over here and make it to the uppercase over here. We will perform the uppercase for the only 0 to the first one, so which will only bring in the first character of each element. Okay, and then it will convert it, and plus it will append the rest of the thing, right? It will start from 1, right? So it will append that, and then we can collect it to a list. Okay, and then it will display as an output. So these are all steps which we need to perform in order to convert the first letter of each element in an array to a uppercase. Let's see what is an output once we run this. Yeah. If you see, the output is every element in this particular character is denoted with the uppercase character, and the rest of the is being shown in the small characters. That's it. Thank you for watching.